Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am doing a new series called Sustainable Sundays. So this is the series where I'm going to be showing you guys sustainable projects as well as self-sufficient projects that can help you learn new things and try new things. And in this very first Sustainable Sunday video in this series, I'm going to show you guys how to make homemade butter. I'm going to be using a stand mixer, but I want you guys to know that you can use a hand mixer, you can use a jar that you just shake. The only difference between the different methods is how long it's going to take and how much energy you're going to have to use. Let's go ahead and make some butter. Going to add in the heavy cream. Again, I'm not adding any salt at this step. I'm just going to turn it on and let it go. Alrighty, so now we have butter and we have buttermilk. Make sure you save the buttermilk because you can use that for pancakes or cornbread. And now let me show you how you're going to wash your butter. This is going to be important so that your butter doesn't spoil so fast. You want to get the buttermilk out of the butter and continue finishing off that separation that we're seeing right now. I have some cold water in this mug that I'm going to pour into my butter. This is called washing your butter. See that it's going to cause some further separation of the buttermilk. I'm going to get my butter dish. This is where the butter will eventually live once I put it in the fridge. And now all you want to do once you're washing your butter is to again give it some squeeze, get the liquid out. This looks good. And you'll know you're done when you don't have any more liquid seeping out. And if you want to salt this butter, this is the stage when you would do that. Finer salt works better because that's going to get in there, get in the butter. And you want to do it now before you put your butter in the fridge and it gets all solidified. Now, right now, it's still very pliable. So it's the perfect time for any add-ons. See how cloudy this water is? Yeah. That is the buttermilk. So I want to salt my butter, so I'm going to go ahead and get some fine salt. Okay, I don't know if you can see it, but I sprinkled some salt on there, and I'm just going to sort of knead the butter to make sure the salt is evenly distributed inside it. That's going to give it some flavor. I hope this video was helpful. If you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any future Sustainable Sunday videos or any of my vlogs. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in future videos.